Heirloom seeds.
Do you know the heirloom seeds? Heirloom seeds are seeds from plant varieties that have been passed down through generations, much like a family heirloom. While there's some debate on a precise definition, most experts agree on a few key characteristics. Open-pollinated. This is the most crucial trait. It means the plants are pollinated naturally by insects, birds, wind, or other animals. The seeds produced by an open-pollinated plant will grow true to type, meaning they will have the same characteristics as the parent plant. This allows gardeners to save the seeds from their harvest and plant them the following year with predictable results. Age. While the exact number of years is debated, some say 50 years, others 100, and some reference pre-World War II, the key idea is that these are older, established varieties. Genetic diversity. Because they've been open-pollinated and grown in various regions over time, heirloom seeds often have a more diverse gene pool than modern hybrid varieties. This can make them better adapted to specific local growing conditions. Cultural history. Many heirloom varieties have rich backstories, often tied to a specific family or community that has nurtured and selected the seeds for a particular trait, such as flavor, hardiness, or appearance.
If you haven't subscribed yet, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to get more new videos.
Heirloom seeds offer a wide range of benefits for gardeners, home cooks, and the larger ecosystem. Here's a breakdown of the key advantages. 1. Exceptional flavor and variety. Modern commercial agriculture often prioritizes traits like uniform size, long shelf life, and durability for shipping. This focus often comes at the expense of flavor. Heirloom varieties, in contrast, were passed down precisely because of their outstanding taste, unique textures, and diverse colors and shapes. When you grow an heirloom tomato, you are likely to experience a depth of flavor that is simply not available in most grocery store varieties.
2. Genetic diversity and hardiness. Heirloom seeds represent a vast reservoir of genetic diversity. Unlike modern hybrids, which are bred for a narrow set of traits, heirloom plants have adapted to specific local conditions over many generations. This makes them more resilient and often better able to withstand local pests, diseases, and climate conditions. By growing heirlooms, you are contributing to the preservation of this genetic heritage, which is a vital safeguard against a future where a new pest or disease could wipe out a less diverse mass-produced crop.
3. Self-sufficiency and sustainability. Heirloom seeds are open-pollinated. This means that when you save the seeds from your harvest and plant them the following season, the new plants will grow true to type, producing the same kind of fruits or vegetables as their parents. This allows you to become a self-sufficient gardener, no longer needing to buy new seeds every year. This practice is also a key component of sustainable food production, reducing your reliance on commercial seed companies and food supply chains.
4. Rich history and cultural connection. Growing heirloom seeds connects you directly to the past. Many of these varieties have fascinating stories, having been carried by immigrants to new lands or nurtured by families for decades. By planting and saving these seeds, you are participating in a living history, preserving a piece of agricultural heritage and culture that might otherwise be lost. 5. Potential for higher nutritional value. Some studies suggest that heirloom varieties, which were often selected for taste, may also have higher nutritional content than their hybrid counterparts. The focus on commercial traits like high yield and durability can sometimes lead to a reduction in certain vitamins and minerals.
A note on heirloom challenges. While the benefits are significant, it's also important to be aware of potential challenges. Because they are not bred for disease resistance like many hybrids, heirloom plants may be more susceptible to certain pests and diseases. They can also have lower yields or a less uniform appearance, which may not be ideal for some gardeners. However, for those who value flavor, history, and self-sufficiency, the rewards of growing heirloom seeds far outweigh these potential drawbacks. Thank you for watching video. Please like, comment, and share this video.